Hello guys, if you are the one who wants to learn coding but dropped the decision just because you are from a non-tech background, then this video is for you. In this video, we will cover the life of a coder, about his skills, work style and the process of how a non-tech person can learn coding. First, let's have a look at the steps that you can follow to improve your coding skills as a non-tech person. Guys, with technology advancing in rapid pace, coding has become an essential skill in various industries. You might think that coding is only for tech-savvy people, but that's not true. Anyone can learn coding regardless of the background. But out of many programming languages, which one should you choose? So your first step is to select a forte, which means choosing a field that you are interested in. For example, if you are interested in developing mobile applications, then first you decide whether you want to go with Android or iOS or Flutter. Then you should focus on learning languages according to it, like Java and Swift. Like if you are interested in web development, that is creating websites, then it is necessary you should go with HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Or if you are someone who wants to make a career in data science, machine learning or artificial intelligence and learn coding, then you should start with Python. Yes, there are many other languages like Java, R and so on. But Python is highly recommended because it's a user-friendly and very much similar to English language. And most importantly, it's high in demand. After selecting your forte, it is essential to know the concepts, rules and guidelines of the code. Yes, just as you need to know grammar rules for English, the same way every programming language has their own set of rules, concepts and guidelines. You need to learn them and follow them. Next thing you need to do is practice, practice and practice. Yes, practice coding as much as possible. Like any skill, the more you practice, the better you will get. Start with small projects and gradually work way to more complex ones. For example, you could start building simple websites or applications, then move on to building more advanced problems. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's part of learning process. When you start learning coding, at the beginning you might feel bored, easily give up, frustrated, might not understand some technical words. But when you practice, get deep into it, you will really enjoy it. Another crucial step is to select the right mentor. A mentor can guide you through your coding journey and provide you with a valuable feedback. They can help you learn new skills and make you more confident in your abilities. Now that you know how to start your coding journey, let's have a short glimpse into the life of a coder in general. To be very precise, coders are quick learners and they possess a logical mindset. They have the ability to think analytically and come up with the solutions to complex problems. They are also known for their speed, which allows them to write code efficiently and meet deadlines. And today, with the advent of technology, coders need to be smart. Gone are the days when they needed to write full code. They now take help from AI tools to make the coding process faster and more efficient. This is the reason they are in demand and highly paid. So to become a coder, the few things that you should start enhancing is your learning ability, analytical skills, writing speed and problem-solving mindset. To summarize, coding is a skill that can be learned by anyone. With the right mindset and approach, even a non-tech person can become a proficient coder. Remember to select your forte, learn the concepts, practice as much as you can and select the right mentor. By following these steps, you can improve your coding skills and embark on a successful coding journey. If you still have some concerns, you can share your queries in the comment section below. Or you can even book a free one-on-one session with our consultants who will guide you on how to make a career in tech. The link is given in the description. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such tech-related content. See you in the next video.